2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, air conditioning, front, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, CD player, bucket seats, fog lights, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.